Okay, let's see first three questions. Find the 125th term of the number pattern. So this is increasing 2, 4, 6, 8 likewise. So this is an even number pattern. So the answer would be 125 times. Okay, the common difference between terms in this sequence, that would be 2. So 125 multiplied by 2, that will give you 250 as your number pattern's answer. Okay, that means 125th term. Okay, find the value of this equation 3x plus 4 when x is equals to 2. So this is a substitution question. So 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4, that means here we have to use, okay, instead of writing x we have to replace it, otherwise the proper term which we use to indicate that one should be substitution, that would be 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4, so 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4, that would be 10, that would be 10. So answer for this one, that would be 10. Okay, let's see our next question. In our next question, find the value of A in the diagram. Okay, in the figure. That means, yeah, all the angles are given as exterior angles, no? So summation of exterior angles of a triangle, that would be 360. So 130 plus 135 plus A, that means 265. When you add these two quantities, that will become 265 plus A, that's equals to 360. Here we are talking about exterior angles. So A would be equals to 360 minus 265. So finally the answer for A, that would be 95 degrees. 95 degrees. That's the way you should find your answer. Fourth one, Lebanon is situated in +2 time zone. Sri Lanka is in +5.5 time zone. Find the time in Lebanon when time is Sri Lanka is 17:30. Okay, yeah, we have to draw the timeline. So 0 would be here. Okay, 0 means that is our Greenwich Mean Time. So +2. At +2, that is the location of Lebanon. And at +5.5 time zone, Sri Lanka is situated. This is the location of Sri Lanka. Now, the question asked was, at Sri Lanka now time is 17:30. Okay, 17:30. That means evening 5:30. So what's the time at Lebanon? So you have to find the difference between these two. Okay, difference between these two. So 5.5 minus 2. 5.5 minus 2 means 3.5. 3.5 means you should subtract 3 hours and 13 minutes. So from 17:30, we are looking forward. Okay, we are heading forward left side direction. Okay, I explained you these things earlier also. I explained you. So this one would be 17:30 minus, okay, minus the difference between these two time zones, that would be 3.5. So 3:30. 3:30. When you subtract, you will receive your answer as 14. Okay, 14 time. Okay, 14. That would be the time at Lebanon. When the time in Sri Lanka, that was 17:30, at that exact particular time at Lebanon, the time would be afternoon 2 p.m. That means 14:00. Then let's see our next one. Write the as a product of powers. Find the value. Okay, product of powers. This one is given as power of product. Okay, power of product. We have to give it as product of powers. So to find that, what do we need to do is 2 to the power of, okay, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So when you represent it, we can write it as this power 2. Okay, the power, that means the index 2 belongs to both 2 and 3. That's why we were indicated by using it as the bracket. So 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2. This is the way you can express it as product of powers. Product means multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Powers means here both constituent in this equation that has some powers. So multiplication of powers, that's what indicated as product of powers. Find the HCF for the given one. Okay, HCF, to find that you have to find like this. Okay, to find HCF, you can express 4x as, okay, 4x as, you should use prime numbers to divide. 2 into 2 into x, okay, then 8xy as 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y. Then third one, 24xyz, 24xyz. So it could be, we can express it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 x into y into z, x into y into z. This is the way you should use your prime numbers to expand this. That means divide this by using prime numbers. So that will finally give you a multiplication pattern like this. Here we have to select the common ones. Okay, belongs to all these three. So all has two particle, all has another two particle also. These two has two particle, but it does not. We can't select that one. All these three has x particles. So finally, the HCF, highest common factor, that would be yeah, 2 is a common one, another 2 is a common one, and another x is a common one. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into x, that would be 4x. That is the HCF for the given three values.